Hello children, welcome to VJV portal. I am Kritika Deshpande, your mathematics teacher. In this video I will tell you about mathematics syllabus for session 2020-21. So let's start with brief introduction of syllabus. This will be your book for this session, that is Explore Mathematics by Cordova. These are the chapters that you will go through in this session, that you will learn in this session. Chapter 1 is numbers and numeration. In this chapter you will come to know about large number, that is 8-digit number, 9-digit number, how to read and write large numbers. Chapter number 2, Roman numerals. In this chapter you will learn rules to write Roman numbers. You will come to know about 7 symbols to write Roman numerals. Chapter number 3, addition and subtraction. Chapter number 4, multiplication and division. Chapter number 5, simplification. In this chapter you will learn BDMAS rule, that is bracket, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction rule. Chapter number 6, factors and multiples. In this chapter you will learn what are factors, what are multiples, HCF, LCM, prime factorization. All these things you will deal in this chapter, factors and multiples. Chapter number 7, fraction. Chapter number 8, decimal numbers. Chapter number 9 is unitary method. Chapter number 10, money. Chapter number 11, percentage. Chapter number 12, profit and loss. Chapter number 13, bills. Chapter number 14, average. Chapter number 15, speed, distance and time, how these three are related to each other. Chapter number 16, measurement. Chapter number 17, time. Chapter number 18, temperature. Chapter number 19, lines and angles. Chapter number 20, circle and triangles. Chapter number 21, perimeter, area and volume. Chapter number 22, symmetry and patterns. And last chapter, that is chapter 23, is data handling. So all these chapters you will learn in this session in mathematics. So children, to know that you have understand the chapter very well, our school conduct periodic test and term exam according to CBSE curriculum. That is, periodic test will be of 20 marks, term exam will be of 80 marks. So I hope you will enjoy and explore learning mathematics, and by learning these concepts you will be able to apply these concepts in solving real life problem. Thank you.